What is up guys, Nick here. I spent the last 5 days on this sailboat. Here is the recap. Ooh!
Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Hold on right there, cause 99% of you are not subscribed. If you want to be part of the 1%, hit the subscribe button down below right now. And let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video more, in which I didn't talk too much, I was just filming what was happening. Yeah, it was like a travel adventure type of thing. Let me know if you like this. Let's get to the chapter number 2. Woo! Here's some extra clips which I didn't use in the previous chapters. Join the next adventure.